Good morning. It's Tuesday, the 11th of January. We're taking a look at cryptocurrencies this morning. We're going to go through the markets, looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano as normal. And we're going to look at the time frames, drilling down from the weekly to shorter term time frames, looking at the technical analysis behind them all. So Bitcoin, initially, we're looking at this head and shoulders type of formation. This could be building into a slightly bigger formation, but we're looking at this one in particular. And we saw a break of the neckline, which we've drawn in. This red line is the neckline, break of the neckline, and price action is trading below it. So the formation has been confirmed. We have got we had a sell-off yesterday, which didn't manage to break below the 39,573 level, which was the previous swing low of the week of 20th of September, and prices have reacted higher from there. So slightly positive reaction on the weekly chart so far. Drilling down into the daily, we can get a little bit more idea of what we expect from this. This upward trending support line has been broken. We expect this to now be retested. That brings resistance back into play at 43,745, and we can see that the candle that's formed on the daily chart yesterday is a bullish hammer candle, so a really nice reaction. We have now formed this longer term trend line with a third point which broke below but has rejected and climbed higher from there. So momentum now at these lower levels is stalling, so we can say that the 39,500 has supported the market pretty well so far. The reaction higher is has been pretty good. 4-hour chart, again, we'll see that same candle, the bullish hammer candle, the reaction higher. We now have resistance coming in at 42,760 and 43,580 before the more solid resistance that we expect coming in at 45,500. Looking at Ethereum, we've had a similar sort of reaction. We had this previous resistance turned into support, which is held on 4 occasions. Got down to there yesterday, 2,915, and a nice reaction higher, potential to form a bullish flag on the weekly chart currently. The daily chart, we can see, posted that bullish hammer, and price is sitting nicely higher at the moment, 3,113 trading. On the upside, we've got resistance expected to come in all the way up, but focusing on the 3,500 area. Just above that, on the 4-hour chart, we can see 3,650 also will be an area of resistance. We have to initially break this 3,250 level to see further upside, but a break back down below 2,915 would be a serious break for the market. Ripple managed to post a new low we haven't seen since December 21, the 4th of December. We got down to 69.5, and again the bullish hammer posted and prices reacted higher. We still have a downward trend in this market. We can draw a trend line, and we are testing that trend line currently. So potential for a break above here, close above this trend line, could open up the upside a little bit. Resistance should be seen at 79 to 80.5 cents. Cardano, let's look at the longer term chart on there. We saw a weekly close below this upward trending support line, which is negative. That closed at 117. A dip down to 107.5 has been rejected, and currently forming a small bullish hammer on the weekly chart. And this is replicated in the daily chart as we're Tuesday today. Price action has only had 1 day to consider this. So a bullish hammer, although the body is quite big, so only just holding on to those that reaction higher. At the moment, we're on the front foot, trading at 115.55. Really need to clear and get back above 121.50 to stave off this current negative price action. You'll also, from a slightly longer term perspective, looking at this downward trending resistance coming in around about this previous swing high 173, 170 to 173. So that's the markets this week. Thanks for joining me, and look forward to speaking again next week.